Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the two major economic trade barriers that countries impose on one another to restrict international trade, as well as provide a rationale for why governments would impose such restrictions. But here's the catch, we're going to do it in under 60 seconds. So if you're an econ student at any level, or even just generally interested in macroeconomics, there's a good chance that you've heard of the following trade barriers: tariffs and quotas. While they may seem quite similar and achieve similar results, the differences between these barriers are simple and easy to remember. A tariff is a tax imposed by a government on imports. There's two types of import tariffs: an ad valorem tariff, where tax is a calculation based on the fixed percentage of the imported product's price. Therefore, the nominal tariffs paid will vary according to the trend of prices for the imported products on the international market. Alternatively, there's also specific rates, where the calculation is based off a fixed amount of money and does not vary with the good's price. Quotas are a numerical limit that the government imposes on the quantity of a good that can be imported into a country. Why would the government want to impose a tariff or a quota? Well, to limit the imports of goods and services by raising prices, to protect domestic producers and supply chains, or lastly, in retaliation for unfair trade practices or trade barriers by partner countries. So there you have it. Now you know just a little bit more about the two most common economic trade barriers used internationally. If you liked the video and are excited to see more, let us know by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and comment what sort of economic topics you'd like to see us cover in the future. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll catch you in the next.